Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss some speculative transaction. That is the transactions which facilitate speculative dealings in stock market. Firstly, arbitrage. It's a highly specialized and skilled speculative activity. Actually, it's undertaken to make profit out of the differences in prices of a security in two different markets. That is purchase and sale of the same security simultaneously in two different markets to earn a profit out of the price differential, that we are taking advantage of the price discrepancies. Actually, what happens is the speculator buys the security from one market where its price is cheaper and sell it in another market where its price is high. If the two markets are situated in the same country, it is called domestic arbitrage. Whereas if the two markets are located in different countries, it's called as foreign arbitrage. Second important speculative transaction is war sales. Actually, it is fictitious. Fictitious transaction, that is actually there is no transactions taking place. So under this method, what happens is the speculator sells his securities and then repurchases the same through the broker at a higher price. So actually there is no transaction takes place in the war sales. But these type of transactions are carried out to create a confusion in the minds of the speculators about the actual movement of the price of a particular security. So actually what happens is an artificial demand is created that ultimately lead to an artificial rise in price. So a speculator can able to sell the securities at the increased price and makes the profit. Clear? Third term is cornering. To corner a market means to acquire enough shares of a particular security type or to hold a significant commodity position to be able to manipulate its price. It can also mean to accumulate a major share of economic activity in a particular area. For instance, we can say if a company that dominates 90% of the wireless market could be said to have cornered the market. So we can say cornering is the condition of a market in which almost entire supply of a particular security is held by an individual or a group of individuals. Actually, a company that has cornered a particular market has a significant competitive advantage over others operating in the same market, isn't it? Most of the time, the idea of cornering the market is associated with illegal activity. So, cornering the market is illegal because it creates an unfair advantage. The Securities and Exchange Commission closely watches the accumulations of a particular security for this reason. So, that's about cornering. And fourthly, rigging the market. Rigging means artificially pushing up the market price of a particular security. So this activity is generally carried by the bull speculators. Who is a bull speculator? A bull is a speculator who anticipates rise in the price of securities, right? We can say it's a situation in which the prices for a security are manipulated. That is the practice of artificially inflating the stock prices. So due to strong bull movement, the price of the securities will go up and demand also created. When the price rises, what happens? They will sell the securities and make profit. So we can say that price rigging is a form of market manipulation. It's also an illegal action. Okay, that's all about the speculative transactions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.